Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cocktail Fridays. Today, the tour takes us down to another world headquarters of Tiki, Los Angeles, where we'll visit one of the oldest Tiki bars in LA and tackle one of their fantastic house recipes, the Mojave Punch. So for the last several episodes, we've been revisiting a Tiki Tour from 2016, which so far has taken us to Seattle, Portland, and the entire Bay Area of San Francisco. This week, we continue down the California coast to another hotbed of Tiki temples, Los Angeles. Right, it's Damons. Finally at one of the best Tiki places in Los Angeles, and oldest. Damons Steakhouse in Glendale is an absolute gem in the Tiki community. Originally opened in 1937, before relocating a few blocks over in the 80s to its current location, the interior is reminiscent of its other old-school Tiki restaurant brethren, such as the Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale, Kowloon in Massachusetts, or the Tonga Room in San Francisco, as we covered in a previous episode. As its name suggests, it's mostly known for its selection of steaks, as well as other barbecue fare, and, of course, its classic Mai Tai recipe. Now, there is a wide range of Tiki bars in Los Angeles that we could talk about, and some of them we have talked about in previous episodes, such as Lono, Tiki No, the Purple Orchid, and of course, the legendary Tiki Tea. However, on this particular tour, I wound up at one of my favorite Tiki bars of all time, and the oldest one in Los Angeles, Tonga Hut. Opened back in 1958, Tonga Hut has, whoa, time out. Didn't I just say that Damons opened in 1937? How is this one the oldest? Hey, and Tiki Tea was serving drinks in 1957, too. Alright, just for quick clarification, Tiki Tea wasn't open to the public until 1961, and Damons closed its original location and reopened in the 80s, so it makes Tonga Hut technically the oldest single-location uninterrupted Tiki temple in LA. Alright, back to the hut. Tonga Hut has a unique decor that is often described as a mix of divey and tropical, featuring a newly renovated long bar, several booths covered in huts, and my favorite, a classic mid-century lounge area complete with stovepipe fireplace and rug. They also feature an exclusive Drooling Bastard Club named after their house Tiki mascot, in which you can slam through 78 classic Tiki cocktails and be immortalized on the wall. I may or may not be a member myself. So today we're going to focus in on one of their house-made classics, the Mojave Punch, which consists of a ½ ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce pineapple juice, 1 ounce orange juice, 1 ounce hibiscus syrup, a ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1 ounce silver Puerto Rican style rum, and 1 ounce Dark Jamaican rum. Now, Tonga Hut has a wide variety of cocktails on their menu, as they not only have a fixed menu that features both classics and house recipes, but each of their bartenders also has their own array of personal recipes that they feature nightly. However, I wanted to feature this particular cocktail because it's been such a mainstay on their menu for so long, and also for sentimental reasons, as it was the first drink that I ever had at the Hut. Alright, so let's jump in. Let's put in the lime juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, the hibiscus syrup. Now you can both buy this at the store from companies like Monin and whatnot, or you can also make your own kind at home. ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup. In this case, I'm using Liquid Alchemist passion fruit syrup. The silver Puerto Rican style rum. In this case, I'm using Bacardi. And the Dark Jamaican rum. In this case, I'm using Lost Spirits. Alright, it's shaking time. Now, normally I would be using crushed ice, but since this is a Tonga Hut exclusive drink, I'm gonna make it the way they make it, and they do it with uncrushed ice. They also serve it dirty ice style, which means pouring the ice and the drink back into the glass all together, as opposed to straining it. So let's do it that way. Put the ice in. Alright, here we go. This should sound really cool. All right, ready to pour. Now, we should probably pour it into a Tonga Hut glass in honor of the hut. Tonga Hut, let's see, Tonga Hut, oh, Tonga Hut. All right. Wow, look at that guy. All that hibiscus, amazing. Garnish it with cherry, and there you go. The Mojave Punch. Let's give it a shot. Yes, it's just like I remember it. A consistently great staple of the Tonga Hut house recipe menu. Not too sour, not too sweet, and always satisfying. Now you can try one of these at home, but be sure to have the real deal next time you're in the LA area. That's it for this week. Give us a like if you enjoyed this episode, and be sure to subscribe to catch the next episode where we continue down to Orange County and finish out the tour in Anaheim. Till then, cheers. Take 1 of 6. So today we're going to focus in on one of their house-made classics, the Mojave Punch. I can't remember the rest. So today we're going to focus on one of their classic house-made classics. Okay. Now if it's fermented like this one has, don't drink it because you'll die. It will make you shit yourself thin.